Hello children, have you seen this board anywhere? Yes, have you seen? Where have you seen? In your school. What is it? It is a notice board. Right, it is a notice board. What is put on this notice board? Some notices. Yes, they are notices. Now let us see what is a notice. A notice is used to inform people about an event or an activity such as a competition, a picnic, an event, a meeting, a show or an exhibition. A good notice is always to the point and contains only the necessary details. Now let us see the format of a notice. The format of a notice should include name of the institution or issuing authority, the word notice, date, title and writer's name with designation. Now let us see these points in brief. Name of the issuing agency. It is the name of the institution or the school which is issuing that notice. Then date of issue, that is the date on which the notice was put up on the board should be mentioned in the notice. Then we write the title. Title is what the notice is about. So title gives us a clear knowledge on what is the notice is about. Then we write the body of the notice. The body should include the date, time, duration, place, venue of the event or activity. That is, it should say the when and where of the event. Then at last you write the authorized signatory. The person who is issuing this notice should sign. Under that they should write their name in capital letters and below that they should write their designation. Now let us see the format of a notice with an example. Neelan Matriculation Higher Secondary School. It is the name of the issuing agency which is written on top of the notice. Then you write the word notice, Notice in bold letters. Then below that to the left hand side you write the date of issue. The date pattern should be, the date should be written in numerals, month should be written in words, then again year should be written in numerals. While mentioning the date of issue here, don't write TH or ST on the date. Then below that in the center we write the subject of the notice. This is about a poetry competition. So the subject here is English poetry competition. Then we write the body of the notice. Let me read and show you. The Department of English has organized a poetry competition on 30th June 2020 in the school auditorium for students from standard 6 to 9. So here it gives three information: the date of the competition, then the place or venue of the competition, then for whom is this competition. While mentioning the date in the body of the notice, you should use TH or ST on the date. Those who are interested to participate should enroll their names with the undersigned on or before 20th June 2020. So one more information is here for the participants. What they should do? They should enroll their names before 20th June to the person who has written this notice. For further details, contact the undersigned. So if they want to get more information regarding the competition, they can contact the person who has written the notice or the person who has signed on the notice. Always use third person to write the body of the notice. After writing the body, you go with the name of the issuing authority. The person who has written the issuing authority, he should sign. Then below that should write their name in capital letters. Then below that they should also give their designation. Here you can see Varsha Literary Club Secretary. I hope children that was clear to you. Happy learning.